In part 1 of Australian 50 cent coins explained, I covered 50 cent coins from 1966 to 1993. Effectively, this was just the coins that inhabit the first page of 50 cent coins in my Australian decimal coin album. Ignoring the coat of arms coins on that page left just 6 commemorative coins to look at, but there are a lot more commemorative 50 cent coins to be enjoyed. In part 2 and beyond, we will be looking specifically at the commemorative 50 cent coin designs that can be found in the following 5 pages of this album. Some will be coins released for circulation, and others just for collectors. I will endeavour to let you know if they were released into circulation or not as we go along. This particular album is complete in 2018. Be aware, however, that circulated and collectible 50 cent coins continue to be released up until the present day. Unfortunately, I am yet to acquire the 160 years Holden Heritage coin. Page 2 has a stack more commemorative coins than page 1 did, so let's get cracking. Page 2 starts with the 1994 Year of the Family coin. This coin comes in 2 varieties, the narrow date and the wide date. In this picture, the wide date is on the left, the narrow on the right. It's a little difficult to spot the difference if you haven't looked for the difference before, and quite challenging if you only have one of them in front of you. But luckily, there is a trick you can use to know for sure what you're looking at. If you draw a line under the 4 parallel with the bottom of its horizontal bar, you will see the line runs under the loop of the second 9 on the narrow date variety. If you do the same on the wide date variety, the line runs under the loop of the first 9. Both varieties of this coin are circulated. 1995 saw the release of the 50th anniversary end of World War II Weary Dunlop coin. This coin is also circulated. In 1998, the Bass and Flinders coin was released to celebrate the anniversary of the discovery of Bass Strait, the treacherous stretch of water that separates the mainland of Australia from Tasmania. The year 2000 fittingly saw the new millennium celebrated by the Millennium coin. There is another variety of this coin. It's called the Encursed Millennium coin. That same year, a rare royal visit occurred and was celebrated by the release of 5,145,000 Royal Visit 2000 coins. 2001 was the centenary of the Federation of Australia that brought together all the states and territories of Australia under one flag. To celebrate the 100-year anniversary of this momentous occasion, the Royal Australian Mint produced 1 coin for each of the states and territories of Australia. Each of these coins would have the coat of arms of that particular state or territory. The mintage of these coins is quite low, ranging from 2 million to 3,042,000. But of course, the most numerous of this series of coins would be the coin bearing the coat of arms of the Commonwealth of Australia. Here we have the New South Wales coat of arms, the Australian Capital Territory. Here we have a well-circulated example of the Queensland coat of arms. And just to break things up a bit, here's the Victorian coat of arms, displayed on a stunning proof coin. 2 million of the regular coins were, however, released for circulation. This one may surprise a few people. Norfolk Island was still a territory of Australia in 2001. The Northern Territory remains a territory after its population rejected a proposal for statehood at a referendum in 1998. Western Australia is the largest state, covering an area of more than 2.5 million square kilometres. That's about the size of Western Europe. With a population of only 1,860,000 people, South Australia has the lowest population of any mainland Australian state. The state with the smallest population, however, is Tasmania, with a population of a mere 574,000 people. As Tasmania is separated from the mainland by the Bass Strait, it is sometimes forgotten to be included on maps of Australia. 2002 was the year of the Outback, with this coin depicting a windmill. Windmills are plentiful in the Outback, as they pump up much-needed groundwater to quench the thirst of stock and humans alike. 2002 was also the 50th anniversary of the accession of Queen Elizabeth II to the crown. This coin was not released into circulation, is made from fine silver, and has a tiny mintage of just 17,500 coins. This one is not in great condition. 13.9 million of these coins were released into circulation to recognise Australia's many volunteers. This coin, however, is a proof specimen that shows off the design and the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse beautifully. This coin was released as part of a PNC in 2003 to celebrate the Queen Elizabeth II Coronation Golden Jubilee. It looks like it might be made of gold, but it isn't. It's a specially struck specimen with an aluminium bronze composition. The 2004 50-cent coin was sculptured by Vladimir Gottwald. The coin was designed by John Serrano, the winner of the primary school design competition. A lot of collectors don't know this 2005 50-cent coin even exists. Of the 30,000 coins minted, only 5,000 were sold into the Australian market. The remaining 25,000 were sold in the United Kingdom as part of a 2-coin set. There were 2 more 50-cent coins released in 2005. This 2005 50-cent coin was designed by Kelly Just, the winner of the Secondary School Commonwealth Games design competition. The other 2005 coin has a design that commemorates the 60th anniversary of the end of World War II. The design was inspired by a photograph in the Australian War Memorial Collection of a scene of a burial at El Alamein in 1942. And that completes the second page of 50-cent coins in my album, and part 2 of this Australian 50-cent coin series. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe.